Designed to elevate your watering game, the peak of hose reel innovation is here. Say hello to the Evolve series, Hoselink's brand new retractable hose reel. The Evolve hose reel has been meticulously designed to create a top-performing retractable reel that is not only easier to use, it's more durable than ever. Completely revamped from the ground up, with function and quality at the forefront, the Evolve hose reel is proudly designed and built in Sydney, Australia, with a range of enhanced new features. The first thing you'll notice is the redesigned modern outer shell. It's more compact in size, less obtrusive, and has a smoother exterior, with built-in ergonomic handle grips so you can move it around as needed. The Evolve Retractable Garden Hose Reel is available in 2 hose lengths, 100 feet or 90 feet high flow, and comes in a choice of charcoal or beige colors. Our proudest upgrade in the Evolve series is the cutting-edge precision layering system. This state-of-the-art mechanism has been engineered with 4 additional rollers to accurately guide the hose during retraction. This ensures the hose is layered evenly and smoothly inside the reel every single time, so you can say goodbye to overlaps and tangles. We've also fine-tuned the internal braking system for a slow and consistent hose retraction that's safe for every user. And that's not all we've perfected. The internal spring has been strengthened and rigorously tested to perform over 10,000 retractions, surpassing our classic model by over 500%. This ensures not only reliable operation, but also an extended lifespan for your investment. What's more, the Evolve reel provides a far stronger water flow, boasting over 22% higher output. All this means an easy-to-use, hassle-free reel, allowing you to spend more time enjoying what truly matters. We're so confident in the Evolve series that we've extended the standard warranty period from 2 to 5 years, providing you with complete peace of mind. The reel is easy to install. Plus, the screw layout for the Evolve bracket is identical to Hoselink's classic line of reels, so upgrading is a breeze. You'll notice the mounting bracket sports a brand new look too, with a convenient storage section built right in. But the best features remain. You can still count on the premium Stop Anywhere locking mechanism that automatically secures the hose in place no matter where you water, while the pin and bracket design allows the reel to pivot up to 180 degrees. Just give the hose a gentle pull to extend it from the reel to any distance you desire. Then another pull to start retraction and watch as the hose neatly winds itself away. And, of course, you'll find our durable Quick Connect hose fittings and best-selling Comfort 8-pattern spray nozzle, ensuring an exceptional experience from end to end. In addition to industry-leading UV protection, the Evolve series features a frost-resistant design, safeguarding both internal and external parts. However, we do recommend storing your reel during especially cold winters or when frost is anticipated to protect it for many years to come. In the unlikely event that you encounter any issues, there are now several parts you can easily replace yourself, including the main hose, guidance tooth, and the leader hose. This prevents waste and ensures many years of performance. Plus, the Evolve series uses less materials, smaller packaging, and a lower freight compared to classic models, contributing to a more sustainable future. For your peace of mind, the Evolve series can also be secured with a long shackled padlock, available to buy separately on the Hoselink website. Experience the future of watering with the Evolve series and discover for yourself a tidy hose solution like never before.